How to view your transaction purchase history on Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can view your transaction purchase history on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Since in Roblox mobile application, there is no direct method or feature to view your transaction purchase history. So the only way to view your transaction purchase history on Roblox is through the Chrome browser. So instead of opening up the Roblox application, open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device. And on the search URL, type in Roblox. And then tap on the first link that says www.roblox.com. Here, instead of going through the application, we will continue in the browser. So from this interface, there is an option that says continue in browser at the bottom. So tap on that. And after that, you have to log in with your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on the home page of Roblox. Now, navigate to the top right corner. There is a settings icon. And in front of that, there is a Roblox icon. So tap on that. From this drop down box, there you will get an option as My Transactions. So tap on that. Now on this page, you will get all your transaction history. You can enter the date range that you would like to see your transaction history from. So select the date as past day or past 7 days, past 30 days or past year. And at the top of that, you have to select the summary as well. And once you do that, you will get to view all your transaction purchase history on Roblox. So that's how you can view your transaction purchase history on Roblox. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.